Hyundai employed a rather unconventional approach for the rollout of its fuel cell SUV that will replace the current hydrogen-powered Tucson. The automaker first pulled the curtain off the new vehicle in mid-2017 without revealing full details. Now, during the tech circus known as CES, formerly called the Consumer Electronics Show, the Korean brand has spilled the specifics on the Nexo, which is what the new SUV will be called. Hyundai's long-term plan is to introduce 18 production hybrid, electric, or fuel cell vehicles worldwide by 2025. In the United States, the brand already offers hybrid versions of the Ioniq and Sonata, plus the Ioniq Electric, and has plans for an Ioniq plug-in hybrid as well as an electric version of its upcoming Kona subcompact crossover. With the Nexo, the brand will have its first dedicated fuel cell platform. At 183.9 inches long, 73.2 inches wide, and 64.2 inches high, the Nexo is 10.3 inches longer, 1.5 inches wider, and 1.0 inch lower than the Tucson fuel cell. Its wheelbase is 5.9 inches longer as well. The battery pack in the Nexo is located in the trunk, rather than the floor, where it sits in the Tucson. The Nexo's fuel cell stack is smaller than the Tucson's, but the overall package provides more total energy, a 95 kilowatt fuel cell paired with a 40 kilowatts battery pack versus a 100 kilowatt fuel cell and a 24 kilowatts battery pack. The Nexo is good for an estimated 370 miles of range, a significant improvement over the Tucson's 265 miles. Once the hydrogen tanks are empty, the Nexo can be refueled in 5 minutes. According to Hyundai, the issue of finding a hydrogen station remains, however, as the supporting infrastructure is severely limited.